go. Ang lalaki ng lettuce, guys, ah. Super laki. Gagawa ako ng ano eh. Gagawa ako ng lettuce wrap. Spicy. You have short there. Ito yung gamit ko guys, oh. Lettuce wrap. Hello, hello! Magluluto ako ng lettuce wrap. Thank you for stopping by. Inaano ko muna yung katas ng karne para hindi masyado. Giuseppe the Puzo. Mega love shout out to you. How are you? But how can I? What should add moderator? Oh yeah, standard moderator. Oh, that's different. How it goes. Yes, sir. Okay. Mega love shout out to everyone. I'm cooking Doritos wrap. Pauwi niyo yung asawa ko eh. Tapos nagpapaluto yung anak ko ng yung Pokemon daw niya. Lutuin ko muna yung Doritos wrap kasi uuwi na yung asawa ko. Ang daming oil. Kaya pinalabas ko muna yung oil kasi ang daming oil. Hindi ko siya kaya yun. Ito sarap na yan. Hello guys. I'm sorry, I'm using my mobile. Yeah. That's why I So, ang daming niyang katas, yung ano ba, yung oil. Ang dami niya, oh, nag-ano siya. Tapos, anuhin ko siya, kukunin ko kasi. Ano ko, ano ako. Magbibisa ako ng tawag ng kasi ang daming oil niya, yung katas pa katas. Kaya ano ko muna siya ng katas. Tanggalin mo na yung katas niya. Tapos saka ko siya i-bibisa ulit. Ganito ako magluto ng ng lettuce wrap. Gamit ko yung yung parang parang Philippine style na sauce. Asian style na sauce niya. Tapos igigisa ko siya ulit yung tawag naman. Kasi igisa ko yung onion at saka. Madali lang naman magluto. Para pagdating ng asawa ko, ready na. Pagdating ng galing ng trabaho. Dinamihan ko siya ng onion kasi mas masarap. Mas masarap kung maraming onion. Hello, hello, hello. Cooking. Tapos na yung ano, pinakuhaan ko na siya ng katas. So, ganito na. Yung wala na siyang oil. Pinita ako magluto ng lettuce wrap. Open ko yung vent kasi maamoy na. Ito yung lettuce, guys. Oh, ang laki ng piraso. Ito yung ano, pang tawag nun. Lettuce wrap yung ginawa, ano ko, niluluto ko. So, nag-ano ako ng lettuce. Ang lalaki ng mga lettuce na ano. Yung piraso niya, sobrang laki. Kaya, pauwi na daw yung asawa ko. Kasi, nag-ano ko ng lettuce wrap. Ito na yung ano, karne na wala na siyang oil. Ginamit ko yung ano, yung karne ng baka. Kasi yun ang paborito niya. Lagay ko na siya. Dinidrain ko yung katas niya. Kasi sobrang daming katas. Tawag nun, yung oil ba? Napakarami. Kaya inano ko siya. Dinidrain ko siya. Okay. ko, saglit, saglit. You want to eat? Okay. But don't say any. Huh? Don't say any, but I told you not to put your shoe. Don't say put any thing in it. Hello, hello. yung gamit ko na lettuce lettuce mixed. Looks good, guys. Looks good.
I'm dead and smash, Clowny. Come get dead and smash. What wrong there? Bro, it's 2023, bro. That's so 3 years ago, bro.
Nandito na yung asawa ko.
You're so young, bro. Are you 6-year-old? Honestly, that was from 3 years ago. Your mom is going to show. Yeah, bro, just lie, bro. It's 2023.
Ang gamit ko sa ilalim. Hindi ko siya na ano. Sayang mo na. Hindi anuhin. Mahal kaya. Kuripot. Kuripot lagi, kuripot. Yan.
I've been right behind you the whole time. Okay, I'm about to clip you. Clip. I got 2 long videos that one clip. RIP you. I'm actually over here.
Gusto ko maraming ano kasi. Maraming paper. Mas masarap.
I don't rest in
Magluto
peace,
kasi
bro.
ako. Gusto yung maraming paper. Kasi makifeel mo doon yung
Yeah, bro. I like myself on fire, bro. Bro, stop camping, bro. You can't camp on fence and stuff. Figure out 2 ways to attack people. Cause bro came on the slime. There's why are there campers in the lobby? This is competitive. There shouldn't be no campers. Yeah. Not gonna lie. And how are you supposed to reuse that when those go down?
get some grains, huh?
You want something?
I have here. Excuse me. died. It's okay.
You buy new toast?
So they're gonna be finished tomorrow?
With the driveway, yeah, I think so. You buy new toast?
Huh?
You buy new toast?
No, I got that one from there, so I put it out. Maybe you want it.
Yeah, with the river house that way.
The river house. You gonna bring this in the river too, or?
Well, I was gonna try cooking an egg here. I was gonna get a manual on it.
Here. And this one is done.
Is this a recipe or just
Yeah, I
American recipe?
got that. You know, the one that I have, the pouch. You want a spoon? Outward?
Yeah, I guess. I was gonna roll it and see if I can survive, but probably not. Fork is probably a better idea.
Spy what? Oh, like that.
I'll get it.
You have to choose the big one that is full. See, there is a big one that is very full.
You're getting camping, first of all. Second of all,
Put too much
We're
meat
gonna
on.
eat, guys. Huh?
I didn't put too much meat. It's hard to hold. I'll do it this way.
Must be like that.
That's okay.
This, I'm gonna save this. The whole one.
Yeah.
That is not, it's not, he wants me to make his, what do you call that? I did not do yet. You know, I already take all the oil on this one, but it's
Still oily, yeah.
still oily, yeah.
Well, something. That was all right.
Huh?
It's got something on it. Is this hamburger meat or pork? Pork?
This is the beef.
Beef.
Here's guys.
Jacob, there come eat.
Can I put like that?
Yeah, I don't care. Jacob.
Yeah, we're gonna eat, guys.
But I guess if you're going down there, I could go to Trinity. If you're going over there to Trinity, I could go to Trinity.
Oh, if we're going to. Joanne messaged me. She said, "Hey, you can sleep over here." But I thought you're going to. I thought you're going to the river. Hey guys, let's eat.
I was thinking of my options.
Oh yeah, it's Sunday. We have to. We have to come home Sunday. So. It's big. It's so big I can't.
Good.
It's okay, right?
Good.
Let's eat. Somebody's watching. I'm gonna wrap this one like that.
He put less meat in it over
Don't
there.
eat this one. Gonna. And don't eat it.
We put a lot of
There you go. Oh. Mm.
I want to go check out that other place I got tomorrow.
Which one?
One on Wallington Road. 4 acres.
Those are different? Because you've got 3, right?
Got me three houses in that lot.
How many lot? Two?
Yeah. There's a lot beside us. I told you, the parking lot.
Is that, oh yeah. Is that trailer also or
House.
house? Is empty?
I don't know. I've never seen it. It's off the road again.
How come if somebody there is still living?
Well, there ain't nobody living there because the road's grown up like the other place.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I decided I'd walk it and see. So I thought, well, I really need to check out the other places. Tomorrow I go that way.
This is it, guys.
If you want to go along, you can go along and we'll help me move the washer and dryer out.
Oh.
At Hartsbridge. I got
What
the
do you mean?
move it out on the deck. The washer and dryer.
But you have to return that?
No.
Oh, Aaron got it?
Yeah.
It's still working or not?
I don't know. They're 5 years old. They're rusty.
Oh, rough now?
They just get rid of them.
It's hard. I put a lot. It's hard to. Yum. This is guys.
How was Jacob's school day?
It's really good. It's okay.
Huh?
He almost lost his chips on the Nintendo. He come and he said, "Mommy, where did you put my chips?" I said, "What do you mean? My chips in my Nintendo." So I don't know. So I put that one there and that thing. I said, "I already told you that after you take it off, you must to put it back where it belongs."
Yeah.
How many times I told you that? But you ignore me, so learn from your lesson. And then it doesn't lose if nobody touch. I said, "I don't know, you are the one who do your stuff." You know where is it? It's in the garbage. In his garbage, yeah. I think he fell down, he put it in the table and it fell down to the garbage now. And I said, "Dig on your garbage." I said, I already see. I saw it. And then he only make it like that. So what I did, I grabbed his garbage and I get one by one. And it's totally there underneath. He said, "You have to buy me another one." "I'm not gonna buy you because you are careless." He quiet.
You happy now?
I said, "Listen, learn from your mistake. It's not your fault, just not mine. You are the one." I keep on telling you. Safe to do. After you take it off, whatever you return, you have to return it where it belongs. I always told you that.
You get a lot of viewers if you show the mad parrot. Say, "This is my husband's parrot."
Huh?
You can show Rocky. And say, "This is the mad parrot on my husband." That was everybody's attention.
That's our parrot guy.
Parrot.
Every time when he come home, the parrot was screaming every time he heard his voice. But I'm alone and my son, she was very quiet. But when she heard the voice of her daddy, she's screaming like You want more?
No, I get it. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'll do a little bit of it.
This is big. Yummy. You did not eat his lunch.
What'd you put in there?
The thing was, I said, why you did not eat lunch? You know what he did?
What?
He ordered.
They must have had something you like.
Huh?
They must have had something you like.
Yeah. I think he saw some interesting food in the school, so he ordered it. He did not tell me unless I grabbed his lunch box. Hmm. Did you grab that up?
No, I went down deep because you said you wanted it.
I thought I forgot to close the stove. Hi, Jacob! the, the kid and the parrot was keep on screaming.
I'm hungry.
Okay, lettuce.
No, I didn't want lettuce. I wanted to.
No, I'm not yet. I did not cook yet. Nick that thing. I have a video, boy.
Where?
Over there.
Yeah.
Shut it off.
Huh. Turn
What,
it down.
what happened in school?
Mommy, you want me
Wait, where's
to...
that clock at? Did you get the clock?
Yeah, I got.
Okay, because I need that.
I'll put it in your bag.
Promise?
Yeah.
But I need that.
So, what was you tell me?
Tell you what?
You were telling me something about school today, and you talked to Mom and she said,
Oh. Okay.
huh?
What do you want to know?
Well, how'd you do on the test?
What test?
Math test.
That was yesterday.
You didn't get a grade?
No. They didn't tell us.
So you got a spelling test tomorrow?
No.
His test is on a thing. Look, hold like that.
No thanks.
Good. Is that even good?
Yeah. Like it? Good, right?
I don't even hold it.
Did I hold the bottom of that head
The
there?
bottom. Daddy, get more. There's a lot.
I'm done. I ate a bunch. I can keep my pills.
There's another one. Did you wash your hands, Mommy? You did, right?
Probably not.
He washed it yesterday. He likes it.
Good.
I told you, it's good. He really likes it.
They may have did theirs out of pork, I don't know.
Hmm?
They may have did theirs out of pork. P.F. Tang.
What's the one? Oh,
This.
the inside?
Yeah.
You had that before, right?
Yeah.
But
Oh,
you
yeah.
don't have now, right?
No, no, we hadn't been there in years. Give him a fork, Mommy.
Exploded. Mom, why haven't you started cooking it?
Huh?
Why haven't you started cooking it?
Yeah, I'm going to. I finished this one because Daddy is coming home. Daddy got hungry. And Daddy, I'm sure Daddy's not going to eat that Pokemon. I don't know.
What is it?
He wants me to bake that, I'll cook that Pokemon thing. What is that, mommy?
Oh, lemon tart.
Yeah.
Lemon?
See, I told you Daddy don't want that. But I don't know. We're gonna make a little only if you like it or not.
No, we'll try something else. There's one that has raspberries.
I buy a lemon. I buy a coloring.
Yeah, there's no raspberries here right now.
Did you? I think you
The raspberry
did you get
one.
3 lemons? How many lemons did you get?
Look, one bag.
Oh my gosh. So make sure we got all the ingredients. I need a fork. I'm not just supposed to. Why do you have to live stream everything though?
You have to use this. You want more or enough?
I'm gonna run to lemon tart. Probably I want more.
What? You what?
Hmm?
Come on, change your clothes. You have your clothes there.
I probably don't want more of the lemon
How'd
tart.
the Halloween party go last night? Everybody happy? Talk to? We did got a bunch of candy.
Yeah.
Tell them to take
Where
candy.
is the candy, boy? Where did you put?
My
He
bad.
hide it. He hide it. You
My
have-
trash
I mean,
can is.
you have to take it off from his room because he keeps on eating that.
I mean, I did eat a lot yesterday because I was really happy. Today I only ate like 3. Just
Oh, you need to bring it out here so we can watch how much you eat, please. Yes.
come on, I need to do it while I'm gaming. You know, I need some energy. That's a way to do it. I won't eat much if you guys don't want me to. I'll only eat 2 or 3.
Yeah,
I
right.
won't eat like.
Yeah, are we supposed to believe you?
I mean,
Come on.
Boy,
Goodness. Excuse me.
say excuse me.
Excuse me.
Boy.
Got peaches? Don't put your hand over your nose, Mel. You're gonna sneeze. Turn your head. Turn your head towards the birds. Turn around. Not towards me.
I'm waiting. I cover my nose so I don't sneeze. Jeez. I'm done. I'm saving room for that lemon tart.
What you gonna say?
Thank you.
Where you going?
Into my bedroom. I just still lay down
Right.
for a little while.
Did you show your Daddy your assignment?
It's simple. Really simple. It's just.
You got it done?
Huh?
You got it done? Get it done first.
Come on, please.
Come on, do it quick.
Please.
No.
Please let
I don't
me
want to
know.
fight over it later. Do it now.
Fine, no, please.
Because it's a good kind of thing.
You
You
done
didn't
that
eat your
it?
lunch today, yeah. You didn't eat your lunch today.
I know.
What lunch did you get?
I got 2 chicken minis.
It's a what?
Is it Chick-fil-A there?
No, they just have chicken minis with their own chicken they make. And they use rolls and just stuff it inside.
Well, why did mommy take you?
Huh?
Why did mommy take you?
Because I don't like their food there really much. I didn't want to buy it and be disgusted because they have something that's disgusting. It has mushrooms, some type of meat, a lot of sauce, and onions.
Oh, mushroom hamburger.
They didn't have any bread for it either. It's just in a little pan place.
Do your homework. Get it out.
Oh here.
Fine. But I'll do my reading.
Did the teacher already seen this? Oh, this one, Daddy. That's his other assignment. Did you bring some book, boy?
No.
Why? You're not reading it.
I know.
But did the teacher is okay?
I mean, she said she said you can read for fun, which means any book.
Okay.
So I wanted to read this one, my brand new one.
Okay. So read there 25 and let Daddy sign this one, okay?
Can I start at any page and read about any Pokemon?
No,
Or do I?
write
Or
that
do I
title.
have? No, don't write the title. I'll just write that. Why? Because the teacher might get mad. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
But you're reading it, so you see the teacher allow you to read, so
No, she said a book from home. I never asked her. I accidentally forgot the book.
so book from home. That's the same.
No, book from school. I meant.
You did not bring any book, so you're not gonna be perfect on this because you did not read yesterday or you
Yeah.
did not have book yesterday. So think about it.
Yeah.
Put that Pokemon thing so that you can or read some book from the there. You have a lot of a book from the
I'll
library.
just write this.
I have a lot of books
No,
from
it's
the
fine. I'll
library.
just write this. Give me a pencil. I'll just write that. Because, see, I forgot to ask her. Everything went on. She talked to us and said, we had a great day. And she told me, bring my clock. I didn't get to ask her. She said, go put your backpack up and go outside.
What do you mean?
Go bring your what?
Go bring your backpacks to the locker and go outside.
Come on, read your book now.
Not my book. You mean my own.
I have a lot of book there that is from library. And you can tell the teacher that thing on those.
It's fine.
It's not fun. Because you must still have an 85 or 70 thing.
I have a pencil.
You have what?
A pencil.
I'll get one out of the drawer.
There is none. There's my found one. Not sharpened. Got another one.
You have the Lego. You like Lego?
I'm fine.
Ay, be careful that the phone man. Okay, this one, Lego.
It's fine. Just let me write the title of this, and I'll just read this. It's fine.
And I have this one if you want this Tertius out.
I don't want to read those. That's a turtle in the hair.
Okay, I'm going to try to do your. You can bring some in this one to the office tomorrow.
I don't know. I may not be there for lunch.
Huh?
I'll just go. I'd ask you if you want to go out.
Out tomorrow?
It's okay. Peaches are so-so. Not real.
It's not that good.
Not like before.
I think it's not seasons for the peaches now.
Yeah, I agree.
I've never really liked them anymore.
So what?
They're not good anymore.
Yeah, not real like it used to be.
What is that? Oh, the peach?
Peach, yeah.
Hey, is the sushi is still okay?
Yeah.
What's that?
Tomorrow be last day. Probably burned from the trees and
You
stuff.
have a thing that branches?
Yeah, ranches or something. They wore my pants everywhere.
Okay. That's not. Lemon tart. Oh my gosh.
He ain't gonna like lemon.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
You chose the wrong thing.
All purpose.
It looks good.
I Yeah, I hear you. Just take one bite of it and say, ah, don't like it.
Jay?
Then mommy will be stuck with it.
You still have raspberry there, right?
No, I ate
You
it.
already ate?
Yeah.
Daddy
I-
already.
Oh, I guess, what are we gonna use for Pikachu's red cheeks?
There's strawberry sauce in there.
Sure, we can use that. Why?
Strawberry
Because on here,
sauce.
they use raspberries.
Yeah. We don't have them. I ate them.
Why you want me to do some?
That's fine. Do it.
Just put
Just
some
still do it. We can use the
raspberry on it.
raspberries.
There's pizza up there.
1 1/2 cup of all purpose
Uh-oh. He's done.
sugar powder. 1/2.
the Speaker of the House.
You will? Huh? Yay! Yeah, he was nice too. That's Ron Johnson, right? That's Johnson, right? Yeah, he was nice. Bye 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 guys. Oh, mamaya na lang.
The country demands strong leadership of this body, and we must not waver. He heads into the job with the least experience of any speaker and 100.
We voted in the least experienced person.
Huh?
He's the least experienced person in the Senate. He's only been there 6.5 years. Johnson.
Johnson? He is a senator?
Yeah. No,
Congress.
Congress.
Huh? Bye bye.